What's up guys, my name's Andrew McKenzie, and today we're going to be talking about the internet. Now what's that you say? Every video on the internet is about the internet in some way? Well, yeah, you're right, but today we're going to be delving a lot deeper than most people normally go. We're going to be asking the question, how has the internet changed the politics of representation online? Now first off, let's answer this very simply. The internet does many wonders and horrors for the discourse of representation. It allows new voices to be heard, it creates a more polarized public, and it incites discussion and debates of specific issues. But today I'm going to be focusing on the negative because you guys really need to know this. So in regards to my topic of conflict and violence, according to the Journal of Legal Research and Judicial Sciences, it has allowed people to communicate and express their opinions freely without fear of censorship or retribution. Now because of the internet, the world no longer needs to see every human being to know they exist. In fact, our online personas are much different from the ones we perceive in real life. We may be scared to expose our flaws to other people in order to not be humiliated. But on the internet, none of this really matters. We can represent ourselves exactly the way we want to without fear of consequence. And that is where the power of verbal violence and conflict comes in. So it's because of the vacuum that our online personalities exist within that no one online can ever really know who we are. And that gives us a greater sense of power and courage to speak our minds. But this power is sometimes taken way out of proportion. In fact, it can sometimes be used amongst the worst trolls on the internet. Take, for example, the YouTube comment section. In this medium, we have the unbridled power to say exactly what we mean in a way that's almost inconsequential upon us. We can call someone whatever we want, and we don't have to identify ourselves, and we think that gives us power. But does it? Because the worst thing about this comes from Quora user Ralph Scraven, who says that only 0.5% of all viewers leave a comment, which means that only this extremely small population suffer from the extreme toxicity of online users. And that's what I want you guys to take away from this. The internet has changed the politics of representation by providing ordinary people with an individualized sense of power that gives them the self-satisfaction of being better than others. Or in the words of British mental health advocate Olivia Callaghan, it allows trolls to lash out at people who are successful, who are happy, who are enjoying their life because they can't. And that's where we'll be continuing in next week's video when we ask and answer the question, to what extent can our online representation cause conflict and violence in the real world? Until then, I shall see you guys next time.